In our previous lesson, we saw how to use external styling, where we created a separate page for our style sheet and we wrote our CSS codes there. Alright, so the third method of styling is called inline styling. Alright, so in the inline styling, we style using the style attribute. Remember that in the first styling, which is internal, the style is written in the head tag using the style tag. The second one is external, using the linked to an external file using the link tag. Alright, the first one, internal, written inside the head tag using the style tag. Alright, the second one, external CSS, linked to an external file using the link tag. Alright, so the third one now is styled using the style attributes. It's not external, it's not internal, but you write it inside the tag, inside the HTML tag. Alright, so let's see how it looks like. I've removed the external link, so here is what we have. So inside this, each of these HTML tags, I can write my style. Alright, for instance, inside the body tag, alright, inside this body tag, I can use the style attribute, style. Alright, then I want to style the background color, right, and maybe I want to style it brown. Alright, so this is the syntax. This is inline. So what I've just done is inline style. So you might encounter it in one way or the other while you are working. So you can see it has styled my background color brown. Alright, so I've just done an inline style. So in the same way, I can use inline style to style the image that I have here. Alright, so I can just come over to the image tag. Alright, and then I will call the style attribute, and I can decide to style the width of the image, maybe 400. I can say the width is now 400 pixel. You can see that it has increased the width of the image. Alright, so after the semicolon, I can use and add another value or another attribute. Width is an attribute to this image. I can now choose another attribute, maybe float. Maybe I want to position it to the right or left. Alright, float, just like we did in the other one. So I will now say float right. Okay, so you can see it has floated the image to the right position. So let's say I want to style the text. Alright, maybe in history I can say style. Alright, color I can say let me say yellow. Alright, yellow. Okay, so you can see it has styled this h3 to yellow. So that's how I can use inline style to style my work if I want to use it. So in our next class, we'll now start designing a layout. We'll try to create a layout, boxes, how to go into the web design proper. This is just the foundation for it. So in the next class, we'll create a layout, create maybe 3-column layout, header, footer for our website. Thank you for viewing this lesson. See you in the next lesson.